there is no replacement for displacement is in fact accurate. Okay, build out the largest displacement that you can get, and then add forced air to it, and you will have yourself a monster. There is no replacement for displacement, and today what we're going to do is talk a little bit about getting more of it. Now, this is a very expensive route any way you slice it. A stroker kit getting more displacement is a very pricey way of going about getting horsepower. The gains are typically 40 to 50 wheel horsepower and torque just with a stroker kit alone. And today what we're going to do is look at some of the kits that are available for the 5.7, the 6.1, 6.2, and 6.4. Now, just, keep this in mind. The 5.7 has a smaller bore than the SRT blocks, okay? Meaning that the stroker kits, cubic inch wise, are going to be smaller. The max displacement that you could get with a 5.7 blocks is smaller than with an SRT block. Okay, now my RT has a stroker kit, an Arrington 392 stroker kit, and it also has a bore to it. Okay, a 30 over bore, making it a 397. Now that's not the largest that it can go. If you're looking for a larger stroker and you have a 5.7, you could go up to about a 410. Now always keep this in mind that the block needs to be bored out. Okay, so what boring is basically making the cylinder wider. Okay, and a stroker kit typically involves a new crankshaft and a new piston. Okay, and the size of the piston creates more room within the cylinder, creating more displacement. Okay, so obviously the more room inside the cylinder, the more air and fuel can go into each of the cylinders, creating more power. Now if you have yourself a 6.1, 6.2, or 6.4, you can go all the way up to a 440, but most guys with an SRT block elect to go with a 426 because it's a nice combination of displacement. All right guys, so this is a 426. What size Whipple is it? 2.9 Whipple on there. It's running 10s along with forced air. Okay, many of the guys that go down this larger displacement route are looking to add forced air at some point, and you don't want to compromise the block by, kind of boring it out too much. So, that's kind of really what I wanted to cover. I wanted to show you guys some of the packages that are available, stroker kits. Again, this is a very expensive route, but this will allow you to maximize the performance out of your engine. Okay, if you are looking to see how far you can take your engine, doing a larger displacement with forced air is going to really maximize everything. Now, I know that there's going to be some wise guys in the comments section saying that their 4-cylinder can beat up on a V8 with a larger displacement, and you know what? My answer to that is put forced air on a larger displacement V8, and it's going to be making way more power. Okay, forced air compared to a naturally aspirated build is just silly in my opinion. The idea that there is no replacement for displacement is in fact accurate. Okay, build out the largest displacement that you can get, and then add forced air to it, and you will have yourself a monster. So with that being said, I hope you guys found this information helpful. I hope this, kind of helps you on your build. If you find it helpful, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all that kind of good stuff. Guys, I am out. Thank you very much for the support. You guys are awesome.